to learn how to make fun puppets using a paper bag and some scrap papers. You will need a paper bag, an old gift bag is fine, some scissors, glue, and different types of papers that you can use to cut and color to add to your puppet. The bag I'm going to use for my puppet is this one right here. My sister gave me a birthday gift in this, so I saved it. It's kind of small. But if I stick my arm and my hand into it, and I stick my hands to the bottom part of the bag, I can open and close that part so it looks like a mouth. I'm going to grab some paper and I'm going to fold it in half, kind of like we did for our masks. And I'm going to fold that paper in half again. And I'm going to just go ahead and cut some shapes around the edges. So right now I'm cutting into the fold. And I'm just going to cut some shapes all around the edges of this piece of folded paper. Let's open it up to see what it looks like. Oh, that looks great. Those eyes look like hearts. So now I'm going to go ahead and take some glue, and I'm going to put some glue on part of this mask around the eye area because that's going to match up with the bottom of the bag. And then I'm going to go ahead and stick it onto my bag and hold it down for a couple of seconds so that it will stay on my bag. This face kind of reminds me of a lizard, so I thought maybe I could make a long tongue like chameleons have. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut out the shape of a tongue. So now I'm going to use the blade of my scissors to curl the paper, and now I can go ahead and glue this tongue into the mouth of my heart lizard. And speaking of hearts, it might be fun to put a heart at the end of that long tongue. Lizards use their tongues to catch insects. This lizard catches hearts. This creature has a lot of love to give, so I think I'm going to go ahead and make some arms so that my puppet can hug people or other animals. To make the arms a little bit more interesting, I'm going to do an accordion fold where I fold back and forth on these thin strips of paper. And again, because my lizard puppet has a big heart, I'm going to go ahead and glue this heart onto the middle of its chest. And now for the fun part, I can stick my hand into my completed puppet, and my puppet can now open and close its mouth and speak if I want it to. Here are some examples of puppets that other children made. What kind of puppet will you make?